Hello, welcome back again to this new episode. In this episode, we will try to look at briefly the different IDEs that are available on either market or as an open source. Jupyter Notebook is basically my favorite IDE, and is accessible either directly through their website or through the Anaconda. Okay, so once you install Anaconda, everything will be in one place. Okay, so my favorite is Jupyter Notebook, and this is followed by the Visual Studio Code, which is available on this website for Microsoft, and then we have also number 3 is PyCharm. PyCharm is under JetBrains and it has both free trial for community and for professional. We have also Atom. Atom is a good one as well. You can try it through their website from here and download a version that fits your computer. And we have also Notepad++, which is also accessible from their website. So these are all basically IDEs that once installed you can access, write scripts for Python, edit, and then debug. Then there's also Spyder. Spyder is accessed on their website, official website, spyderide.org, which looks like this. And then this also can be accessed once you install Anaconda. It is also within Anaconda, so once you install Anaconda you can have it there. Now we have as well Sublime Text. Sublime Text has, I think, a free version and a paid version, but it is also another good one, a good editor that has some colors and then can do everything. Once well set, it can be kind of automated. There's Eclipse and Pydev, which is also another IDE, and let's try to see what other people are saying, especially on the Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow rates Visual Studio Code as being 50.7% being used, and then Visual Studio, Notepad, and so on, as you can see. So PyCharm is rated around 13.4, Sublime Text is in 23%, IntelliJ 25, Notepad 30.5, and so on. So as you can see, Jupyter Notebook is under less than 10, rated as 9.5, but for me, I believe these are just underrated because as of now many people are using this tool so much. So if you are hoping to use one of these are some of the IDEs that you can download and put on your computer so that you can do your programming or writing codes as faster as you can. So the top 10, I think, are led by Visual Code until somewhere Atom and PyCharm. Okay, so with this we can go ahead and now install one of these ones, but like I said, my favorite is Jupyter Notebook. So I'll go ahead and install Anaconda on my computer, then be able to access Jupyter Notebook and then the Spyder. Okay, so for 2020, these are the most highly rated IDEs that you can use in order to run your Python successfully.